Welcome back to MiiBooth. Irfan here. There is one gadget which a lot of us need but never end up buying because it is not considered essential. But it can prove substantial when it comes to security. Thanks to TP-Link, they have decided to give one away on my channel to one of my viewers. And it is none other than their home security camera. This thing is loaded with features. I'm going to tell you how you can participate. There's a couple of steps you need to follow. But first, let me unbox it and show you what this thing can do.
If gadget reviews, DIY projects, and life hacks are your thing, then consider subscribing to my booth and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of the action.
Here is the box. This thing is loaded with tons of features. You can control it through a smartphone app, a smooth pan and tilt, 1080p video recording, two-way audio feature, night vision, motion detection, etc. Let's unbox it and see it for ourselves. Inside the box, you get the camera, a power adapter with a super long cable, a bunch of setup guides, and some screws and a bracket to mount it onto a wall if you want it there. Close look at the camera shows the camera has decent build quality. There's a slot for a memory card down here alongside a reset button. It can support 128 GB of additional memory. You can simply place it on a table, shelf, or any other flat surface in your living room, bedroom, kitchen, or even install it on a wall or ceiling using the provided bracket and screws. To set it up, you need to download an app called Tapo from App Store or Google Play for free. Launch it and press the plus icon to add devices, and now wait for the LED on the camera to blink red and green. At this stage it might start moving on its own, but that's normal. Press next, and on the next screen you have to enter your Wi-Fi password so the app can connect the camera to your Wi-Fi. You'll also hear voice prompts from the camera as the progress goes on. Over here you can give a name to your device, for example bedroom 1, bedroom 2 if you have more than one in a single room. Next you can assign a location to it. I'm going to select gym as that is where I never go. Press next, and after a couple of seconds it is ready to go. Now you can check out the live feed of the camera by selecting the device and do some really cool stuff with it. I'll show you. You can pan and tilt the camera from here. It can do a full 360 degrees pan and tilt 114 degrees vertically. So basically you have all 360 degrees covered. You can also mark a specific position, for example a baby's bed in a room or a cupboard, and when you press on that mark, no matter where the camera is facing, it will swiftly move to the saved position. And you can save multiple marked positions, by the way. You can take a picture by clicking on the camera icon, or start making a video right from here. And by the way, you can access the camera from wherever you are as long as the camera and your phone both are connected to the internet. You can watch the video feed in full screen or even in a grid formation if you have more than one TP-Link cameras in your house. You can even pinch zoom on the viewfinder to have a closer look. Privacy mode simply turns off surveillance without shutting down the camera. You can resume anytime in seconds. And now my favorite feature, talking. You can either select to simply speak through the camera's speaker, which is decently loud, or you can make a two-way call with your wife, kids, parents, cat, and save some money on phone bills.
Hello?
And the best part, you can pan and tilt while in the call. The voice is clear. There is a tiny delay, but that is pretty common in all security cameras. You can switch to lower quality video if the network is not very strong, and when the lights go off, the infrared LEDs automatically turn on, and it can give clear visuals as far as 30 feet away from the camera in complete darkness. If you have a memory card installed, you better switch on local recording. That way the internal storage will be able to store evidence as it is being recorded. And you can also switch on loop recording. That way when the memory card is full, it will start overwriting the first recording. If you're planning to keep it in a relatively movement-free area, you can switch on the motion detection and recording instead of continuous recording. In that case, as soon as there is motion in front of the camera, it will start recording and send an alert to your phone. You can open up the app and even have a chat with the intruder. On top of that, you can even make a recording schedule. You can choose when it records continuously, when it records after detecting motion, and when not to record at all. And you can get really specific with the time, by the way. All the recordings can be found in the playback and memory tab. You can view it on the timeline by zooming in and scrolling back and forth. You can see this orange part. This is recording done after detecting motion. You'll have blue for continuous recording and so on. Or you can even just view the clips in the memory tab. The point is, I can keep talking all day, but no one likes too much talking. You get the gist of it. Producing good hardware is not that difficult, but making a good application with a smooth user interface to handle that hardware is what many companies fail at. And as per my experience so far, TP-Link seems to have nailed that. Alright, now to the giveaway. I will be giving away this very camera complete with a box and all accessories in 1 week's time. That is next Thursday. I'll be announcing the winner. It's very simple. All you have to do is go to TP-Link's YouTube channel. The link is below. Subscribe to it, and then from there go to TP-Link's Instagram page. Again, the link is below. Follow them, and then come back right here and comment below my video that you have done it. And in the process, don't forget to subscribe to MiiBooth. I've mentioned all the links and instructions in the description box below. I'll be picking one winner from you guys next Thursday, and the camera will be shipped to your door. Just one small condition, this giveaway is for UAE residents only, so start following. That's it for now guys. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button below and share the video with your friends and family. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and Instructables. All the links are in the description box below. You can check out my other videos by clicking on the thumbnails or check out my YouTube channel for more. And as always, thanks for watching.